Hello, third grade, and welcome to Grammar for today. We have been learning about different kinds of nouns called abstract nouns. Today, we are going to be reviewing them and looking at them again. Now, there are two kinds of nouns. There are concrete nouns, things that you can see, taste, touch, and feel, and abstract nouns, ones that you cannot see, touch, taste, and feel. Today we will be going over this page on your class kick, so please open up your class kick and follow along in the video. For this activity, we will be doing the odds together, and you'll be completing the evens on your own. Let's go ahead and begin. Number one, the directions is to circle the abstract nouns. We're going to use our highlighting tool, choose green, and we're going to highlight the abstract nouns, words that are not people, places, that are not things you can touch, taste, feel, or look at. So we'll go through each word and then highlight the ones that are abstract nouns. What about sympathy? Can I go grab a sympathy, bring it over here and have you see it? No, that is an abstract noun. What about an opinion? Can I draw you a picture of an opinion and have you look at it? No, so that is an abstract noun. What about salt? Could I go get some salt and show you? Could you taste salt? Yes, so that is not an abstract noun. A computer. Can you look at a computer? Can you touch it? Yes, so that is not an abstract noun. What about loyalty? Is that something I can taste, touch, feel, or look at? No, so that is an abstract noun. What about a mark? Oh, sorry, we're going to skip to line 2. You're going to do on your own. Line 3. Can you see a teacher? Yeah, you can see me, so that is not an abstract noun. What about manners? Manners. No, you can't see, touch, taste, or feel those. What about a dog? I can feel a dog. What about a kitten? I can see and feel a kitten. What about sleep? No, I can't see sleep. Moving on to part 2. Choose red. We're going to use red to highlight concrete nouns. This time, when we are highlighting, we are going to highlight the ones that are things you can touch, feel, taste, or look at. What about an idea? Can I touch an idea? No. Can I touch, taste, feel a bunny? Yeah, I can feel a bunny. I can look at it. What about a phone? Yep, I can see a phone. I can look at it. What about a fence? Yeah, I could see a fence. Uh-oh, I accidentally did the wrong one. I'll have you guys do 5 and 6 on your own. In the third part, it says, read each sentence and decide if the underlined noun is concrete or abstract. Write C for concrete or A for abstract. So let's look at this first one. Number 7. My cat ran up the tree and was stuck. Can I see a cat? Yes, so that would be concrete. Number 9. We painted different seeds in our garden. Can I go look at a seed? I could taste a seed. I've had a sunflower seed before, so that would be concrete. Remember, if you can, C for can, C for concrete. If you can see, touch, taste, or feel it, it is concrete. Number 11, the students were filled with excitement. Can I feel excitement? I can feel it in my heart, but can I feel it with my hands? Can I taste it? Can I see it? No, so that is an abstract noun, capital A. 13. We saw elephants at the zoo. Well, I can see it. It even says saw in there, so I can see, touch, taste, or feel it. It is concrete. I am so thankful for my friends. Oh, wrong one. 15. My favorite fruit to eat are grapes. Well, I can taste a grape, so I can see, touch, taste, or feel it. Our final section is to use one of the following abstract nouns in a sentence. Choose one: brave, love, idea, or beauty. Once you are finished with all of the even numbers, you are finished with your grammar for today.